Greetings and welcome back to Cozy Green Spaces. This is your girl, Dr. Helen. I have been away from here and away from home for a while. I was actually in New Mexico visiting my family in Santa Fe for 3 weeks. And my two sons were here, two of them caring for my plants. And so I'm showing you how they're doing. The vegetables and herbs are thriving. Some of them needed a little more watering than they gave them, but I didn't give them specific watering instructions. I told them to do the best they could. And they did pretty good. The herbs are thriving. Look at the marigolds. I'm happy. It's amazing to me to plant seeds and see not only plants grow, but plants that are food and medicine for us and healthy for our bodies. Organic produce, organic herbs. It's a gift from the Creator, I believe. And here's a close-up. Here's my lavender, which smells heavenly. And my green peppers, I currently have 5 on the vine. I only have 1 eggplant, but I have a couple little flowers, so we're hoping for more. My cherry tomatoes are delicious. I eat them as soon as they ripen. When I came home, 5 were ripe. I popped them right in my mouth. My herbs are doing good. This is my rosemary plant. My basil's a little sparse. I'm going to work on it with some fertilizer. Here's my peppermint. Peppermint always does well in a pot. And my oregano is thriving. I'm just amazed and happy to see this growth. The parsley is sparse. I'm going to work on that. And the sage is doing well. This here lemon thyme is just heavenly scent. But look at this cucumber plant. It is taller than my balcony door from 1 organic seed. 1 seed. One seed, one seed can move mountains. Here's my jalapeno peppers, which I love spicy foods. This is chocolate mint. I have it close to me because it smells so good. And then I have a number of pots with marigolds because marigolds help keep bugs away. So I have different types of marigold. I'm not a bug person. And then I have this beautiful New Guinea impatient plant. And then I have more impatiens and vinca. And then finally, here's my sun tea from my fresh peppermint that I steeped outside in the sun.